objects have a balancing point, and this is called the centre of gravity. And by having a low centre of gravity, you can make your toy very stable so that they can balance nicely on different objects. And I have made a stand for my bird too, and this is made from skewers with elastic bands holding the corners together. And this can be put into a plastic tray or a foam block that you would use for arranging flowers, and you can get your bird to balance on this as well. Very simple thing to do and very enjoyable for students.